Hello everyone! Welcome back to Mixy Trixie's Healthy and Tasty Recipes. In this video, we bring you a delicious and healthy twist to the classic potato cheese paratha recipe. We will show you a time-saving technique to skip the double cooking of potatoes and directly mix them with flour. This not only saves you time but also retains the nutrients of the potatoes. Our potato cheese paratha is packed with flavors and cheese, making it a perfect breakfast or lunch option. We will start by preparing the dough by mixing with 2 cups of grated potatoes. One-fourth cup chopped coriander leaves, 1/4 cup chopped onions, 3 tablespoons chopped green chilies, 1 cup of fresh cheese, 1 tablespoon of amchur powder or dry mango powder, a pinch of salt, half tablespoon coriander seed powder, 1/4 tablespoon red chili powder, and 1/4 tablespoon garam masala powder. Mix all the ingredients well. Add the required quantity of wheat flour. Knead the dough. And let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, roll the dough and make chapatis. That's it. The preparation of healthy potato cheese paratha is so simple. This potato cheese paratha is not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. It's a great way to sneak in some vegetables for those picky eaters in your family. You can serve it with a side of yogurt, pickle, or any chutney of your choice. So, if you are looking for a healthy and tasty recipe to try out, join us in making this mouth-watering potato cheese paratha. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more such easy and nutritious recipes. Enjoy and happy cooking!